Hi, this is Elena, and welcome to the sixth part of Marvel's Designer Tool by Tool tutorial. Today I decided to explain the simulation. This is kind of the first part of 3D window tools that I'm going to explain. So let's begin. Okay, let me hide my 3D patterns here. Oh. Okay, for simulation, you should always consider the fact that you have gravity, and it's too much important because everything that you have on your 3D window tends to fall down. That's why it's important that your patterns to be near to the avatar and also the right height that you want. For example, if I put my pattern right here, now I simulate. The simulation icon on 3D window is here, and on keyboard you should press space. So now I press space. Look what happens. Not only it falls down, also it simulates, like for example, these parts should be attached on this part, but now you see it's here around there's a hole in it, and it's around the legs. So this is one of the things that you should consider. The next thing is the order of your patterns. For example, if I want this part to be over the other, this one, I should put this over it. If I put this here and I simulate, it comes under. You see, it comes under. So what I should do, first of all, I should make this a little bit larger. I try to put or bring my patterns in a position that I want. And then simulate. When you are on simulation, you can click and drag to move your garment. In this way, sometimes you want something particular and something is not in the right direction, you can fix it like this. Okay, I think this one is 5. Okay. Okay. When you're okay with your design, with your garment, you can select all of it and right click and freeze it. And that's it. And yes, and that's it. This part I think also is my shortest part of this series of tutorials, and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you later. Bye.